Project Ulitis Luxus, a statement piece in motion, masterfully engineered to our client's exacting vision. Cloaked in a lustrous, full-gloss Carpathian grey finish, this commanding D90 is accented in deep black for a striking yet refined contrast. Project Ulitis Luxus rides on 18-inch Sawtooth wheels wrapped in rugged BFG all-terrain tyres, striking the perfect balance between performance and presence. The exterior is outfitted with a classic front bumper, dual Hella Black Magic LED mini light bar bumper lights, and 4 additional Hella Black Magic spotlights seamlessly integrated along the front cage, delivering a bold, purposeful stance. Inside, the cabin redefines craftsmanship. A Nardi Challenge steering wheel pairs effortlessly with hot rod gauges, Corbeau Trailcat seats, and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the rear are elegantly upholstered in single vertical diamond-stitched hides granite leather, detailed with light grey contrast stitching, luxury and durability in perfect harmony. Under the hood, this D90 roars to life with an LS3 V8 engine, delivering an impressive 430 horsepower through a 6-speed automatic transmission. Modern conveniences elevate every drive, including a premium touchscreen radio with Pioneer sound, Apple CarPlay, and integrated USB connectivity. Project Ulitis Luxus, where heritage meets high performance and craftsmanship is tailored without compromise. Build yours today.